Okay, so $550 later, we have some stuff we'll show you at the house, and then we have $200 worth of other food here. Almost a G at Costco. We got some cool things and good things to, you know, get Matt's diet jump started and all that kind of stuff. These are some of the things that is going to be in Matt's diet. We have blueberries, absolutely essential for smoothies. Vegan protein, again, really important for smoothies. Good nighttime kind of meal, salad, right? We're gonna probably skip the croutons and stuff like that, but we can put sardines on top, tuna on top, all kinds of stuff on this, and it'll feel really good. You all right, man? I heard that grunt.
My ass is sore.
Oh yeah? Yeah, a bit crazy workout yesterday. So we have some spinach. This is for the eggs that we're gonna be making for pre-made meals. We have broccoli right here. Sprouted pumpkin seeds, a really good fat kind of substitute for avocados sometimes when you're making some of these pre-made meals. So that's why we have that. We got some non-pasture-raised eggs, but this is all they had, so we got some of those. Chips to go with some guacamole that is somewhere in here. We have Nutso, which is one of the best nut butters that you can buy out there. He has 2 of those. No salt seasoning, which is great for seasoning, you know, meats or whatever. Pink Himalayan sea salt, good for obviously salt reasons, but the AM cocktail that we make has a 1/4 teaspoon of this, so we have to have that. Also have some grass-fed beef sirloin. It's good for like dinner type meals, so you can take this and add it to maybe that salad over there. Take this and add it to maybe some cauliflower rice, which is like what's right here. So this is really important. Guacamole in a pinch. This works when we're waiting for these avocados to get ripe. This is what he's going to be using. And then we have some chicken enchiladas, which are good for a nighttime meal every now and then. Each enchilada surprisingly has 20 grams of protein. So, you know, he could eat 3 or 4 of these and be maybe 800 calories in and still have 80 grams of protein or something like that in a meal, which is huge. We also have some organic mango chunks, which are great when you let these thaw out a little bit or you put them in the microwave for 20 seconds. It becomes a pretty decent dessert at night, you know. It's a nice healthy dessert. We got some harvest bowls, which are chickpeas and lentils, and this one has quinoa and some white beans. Each one of these bowls has about 200 or 360 calories. This one has 290. Both have about 12 or 9 grams of protein. It's not bad. All we do when I'm thinking about bowls like this, I look at this as a main carb, and then I put some sort of protein on top of this, maybe some guacamole, and now you have a complete meal. I also have some chia seed. That's what we use for the protein smoothies. And then down here is the last, one of the last things that Matt has is over here from Costco. Hummus for the celery sticks. We have mangoes, which are great just to have fruit every day. Sardines, which are wild caught in olive oil. Amazing omega-3 source plus protein source. Also protein source, salmon burgers right here. This absolute staple right here. We have some cashew clusters. In a pinch, if Matt wants some energy when he's riding his bike or about to ride, or maybe some midday energy, this would be good. The reason why we got this as opposed to trail mix is this one has drastically less sugars, half as many sugars as like a traditional trail mix, which means they're putting more emphasis on the actual cashews and the other things that are in here, like almonds and pumpkin seeds. That's good. We also have some flaxseed meal, which is good for omega-3 as well. Healthy fats right there. We have some barbacoa as well, which is just straight meat, and that can be put on a salad or whatever to supplement protein. From Trader Joe's, Matt has got chickless salt, as you saw earlier. We have some sauces, like spicy taco sauce, has 5 calories, so it's not taxing at all. Dark chocolate, absolute must, maybe with those mangoes late at night, you know. A line of dark chocolate is really good for you. There's this stuff called Zhu sauce, which is amazing. It has a bunch of random kind of things in here, but mostly cilantro and jalapeno peppers and chili flakes. This is incredible tasting and really makes a dish appear a little bit more zesty. We have some beans down there and some random stuff in cans, but one of the cool things from Trader Joe's that you should get is chimichurri rice. This is amazing, and you can put protein with this late at night, and you have a full-blown meal ready to go. So, all right, that's what Matt got, and I have a lot of other random stuff too, but you've seen my diet on previous videos, but this is how we're gonna start getting Matt to stop eating out and really start eating in and focusing on his own nutrition. So a little bit of today, we're doing cooking, and we're gonna grill some salmon burgers and stuff like that, assemble some food. but I basically showed Matt how to do a breakfast that is on my channel. It's probably like 4 videos ago, like the perfect muscle building breakfast. Anyway, so yeah, showing him that. What'd you think about that kind of stuff, man?
Good.
Is it sustainable?
Yeah, for
Yeah,
sure.
totally easy, right? It's basically like 4 ingredients, right?
Yeah.
Do you remember what they were in the order?
Avocado oil.
Well, how do we start? Yeah, exactly. We start with
Avocado
oil.
oil. You do your spinach, then your eggs, and then your beans, and then whatever guacamole or avocado you have.
And then you put the taco sauce on top of that.
Or whatever, yeah, whatever hot sauce.
Did it taste all right?
It was good.
Right now he's messing with his supplements because in about 30 minutes we're going to be hitting a smoothie as well. We're trying to get the first meal of the day to be one of the biggest ones because he did work out like 2 hours ago. We want to make sure that whatever the muscle needs, that we are putting it in the body as fast as possible. So that's one of my philosophies, is that the first meal is pretty big. All right, so this is the aftermath, and he has 4 meals in his truck, which is outside my door. You have all your ingredients. How fast from the meals? How did we, when we made 4 meals?
If we didn't go to the store and get like $700 worth of stuff,
Yeah.
It probably would have taken like 30 minutes to make 6 meals.
4 to 6 meals, right?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we made 5, right?
30 minutes.
Yeah, 30 minutes.
So I mean, I would say an hour. You got 6 meals and your smoothie.
Oh yeah, true.
If you want to do that, but I mean, you're not looking at that much time.
Yeah. So it's not a whole lot of time.
The first time is a lot, but obviously because you got to get everything together. But
yeah. So basically, we're showing him my habit of how I do it really fast. I can get it down to about 20, 30 minutes. And I can get 6 meals out of that. Plus, in the meantime, I'm doing things like building smoothies, cleaning the place, doing things like that. So it's not hard to do, but if you want the best physique, you're gonna have to start doing repeatable things that ensure that, at least on the diet scale, you wipe that out as a concern, right? So that's what we're trying to do. We're trying to wipe out that as a concern, and we're gonna try to focus on the workouts more than anything, and his mindset, right? And that's where a lot of the work needs to be done. So, yeah, that's what we did here, and the aftermath is pretty much in this truck. What was your major holdback in doing this whole thing?
just staying on a consistent plan. I mean, I know the right things to do and all that, but I just really wanted to get it pinpointed and get a couple weeks to a month under my belt, plus more obviously because I'm doing something a little different. But to get everything going the way you really want to, you really have to invest a lot more than you think. It's not just getting up and eating and working out. Like, there's a lot of other stuff that goes into it. And it's not as hard as you think. It's intimidating at first, but it's not that hard. Your mind just makes it that hard.
He's going on the journey, and you're going to get to follow that on these vlogs. So like I said earlier, if you're enjoying them, hit the like button. Let's see what we get into next. So it's officially the next day. I'm about to go smash a workout at the gym, and before I get there, I'm going to try something new. That's right. What's that new thing? It's this right here. Yeah, there's something cool in here from Organic Muscle. Earlier in the video, I worked out with two gentlemen that were the owners of this product called Organic Muscle. You can find it on Instagram. But yeah, their leading statement says that it's the world's first organic pre-workout supplement. And guess what? Today, I get to try it in the gym. So I'm pretty sure it's in that box. I can hear it, it's in the box, it's shaking. There's a lot of power in there, I can tell. All right, so I'm gonna go open this box and we're gonna look at this product together, and then I'm gonna mix it in probably this thing, and then we'll see how I feel. All right, I'm opening the box. Let's see what the goodies are. Oh my gosh. There are a lot of goodies in here. These guys really hooked it up. Wow. Got a, looks like a shirt or a tank top. Yes. Oh, I got a hat, cool. I wear hats sometimes. It's a really good logo, look at that. Some buff dude just flexing, love it. And it's made out of leaves. Oh, that's pretty ingenious, guys. Look at that. I didn't realize that. Very nice. Shaker bottle. You can never have too many of these. These things are great. I actually might shake it up in this thing and bring it in the gym. But we have supplements in here. Let's take a look. Gosh, there's a lot. Okay, so here's the one. I think this is the one. Let's take a look. Oh, I'm so excited to try this one right here, the superfood. It's crazy. I'll tell you about my, wow, there's a red one. This is like, oh my gosh. My guess is it has a lot of beet stuff and randoms. Wow, look at this. Organic superfood, organic greens, the organic pre-workout. This is the main one that everyone's talking about. That's awesome. We have an immunity shield, super cool. And then I guess it's a protein of some sort. Yeah, look at that. Wow, strawberry plant-based protein, soy-free, vegan, GMO-free, gluten-free. Unbelievable. Wow. I'm so impressed. I really am. It's not only over and beyond what I thought that they would send, you know, but the presentation is incredible. Now, I haven't got into this product yet, you know, but the presentation's awesome. Every one of these things has this neat green container, but it has this reflective kind of, it's just really well thought out. Like there's grass and everything that reflects, and it's just really neat. Anyway, now of course that's not the product itself, but the presentation is incredible. I really like it a lot. So, you know, being a creator myself, I can appreciate stuff like that. But I'm really excited to try the pre-workout. So we're gonna get into that today and the superfood thing. So when I got to the superfood thing, I said, like, that's really interesting or whatever I said earlier, because I was literally thinking that a couple days before I had met the owner in the gym, and I was thinking, like, I want to get into a green, you know, kind of supplement kind of thing where it's just a superfood, you know, where you can put an extra scoop of whatever and you're getting a bunch of minerals and vitamins, as opposed to eating, you know, 10 different veggies, which is time consuming sometimes. So I wanted to get a superfood supplement, and I thought about it, and I was just, I don't know, like constantly thinking about it, and I think I just kind of manifested it somehow. And yeah, it's just crazy. So here it is. It's right here in my hands. It's so cool. Anyway, so let's get to the, so I'm excited. I'm just really excited. But this is the one we're gonna mess with today. I don't know what passion fruit guava remotely would taste like, right? But it's gotta be good, right? Ooh, that actually smells incredible. This reminds me of, I don't know, it just reminds me of a good juice. It just smells like a good juice. Oh, it's actually lighter than what it smells. So it smells extremely potent, like a really punchy, tarty juice, but then when you drink it, it tastes like, it almost tastes like, I don't know. It tastes like that tart thing that I was expecting, just really diluted, so I could like pound it down as fast as possible. It does taste like that, so. But it's good. Yeah, it's actually really good. It's surprisingly smooth. That's interesting. Like, it's really interesting because it smells like it's gonna just be this sour thing that you can't just pound down a whole bunch of, but in reality, yeah, it's almost like if you took a lot of water and you put like a little bit of drops of some sort of flavoring, you know, just to like not drink just water, it tastes like that. So it'd be like just barely sweetened water, but it's good. It's good, for sure good. Yeah, it's good. I'm curious to see what happens. I don't even know if I'm supposed to like slam the whole thing down or what, but what does this pre-workout have in it? Let's take a look. So we have vascularity and pump, we have pomegranate, organic beetroot, organic blueberry, organic goji berry. I love the fact that everything is organic on this company. I mean, that is just like enormously amazing. Energy, focus, and stamina, maca root. I was talking about maca yesterday with friends. Anyway, we have organic coconut water, organic ginseng, green coffee extract, eleuthero root. I'll have to figure that one out. Yerba mate, that's good. Yerba mate is good. Oh, cool. Cordyceps mushroom stuff. Wow. Rhodiola. I was talking to my friends about rhodiola yesterday. Interesting. And then aloe vera. Very nice. Okay, so there's a bunch of stuff for metabolic boost. There's some natural flavoring, which is the passion fruit flavor, and some berry extract. 30 calories, 1 gram of protein. Yeah, very nice. I love the way it looks. It's super cool. Yeah, I'm gonna pound this down. I'm gonna run to the gym. We're gonna get some gym footage and see what happens. The pre-workout, I'm gonna see, does it amplify me that much more? Is my focus retained in the gym? That kind of stuff. All right, so what's the verdict? First of all, had an amazing workout. It was awesome. You know, being fully rested is a huge advantage before you go into the gym. Notable lifts today, deadlifted 315 for 4. That was pretty nice. Then got some tips from a friend in the gym, so I'm gonna have to revisit that 315 for 4 maybe next week. 275 for 5 on bench. That wasn't too bad either. Yeah, I guess that comes with the size. Of course, I've been bulking through the winter months. So how's the pre-workout? The pre-workout powder was good. And this is one thing that I did notice, and I don't know if it's because I had great sleep or if this is coming from the pre-workout supplement. So with further testing, I think I'll be able to figure out what's going on, right? But I was really, really alert, right? So not jittery, not, you know, shaking or anything like that. Not even really like wide opened eyes or anything, but things felt very crisp. I was very alert. So that's like the way I would describe it. I was really alert, like almost like my, I don't know, almost like my senses were like heightened in a way. I noticed it twice going down to the gym. Like I was just driving to the gym and I noticed, wow, like I feel incredibly alert, but not wired. Kind of similar to the feeling I get when I'm on yerba mate or something like that. It's just this like energy. I don't know how to explain it, but it's not overwhelming. It's just this alertness. So I felt that was cool. It lasted through the whole workout. My workout today did take some time because I talked to some people and yeah, anyway, so it took longer than normal, but I'm excited to test out the other products, and in future vlogs, we're gonna do that together. So yeah, we got all kinds of stuff here in this box that I gotta test out. I'm gonna bring you guys and gals along the journey with me. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, and I wanna open up another vlog for the weekend. So I'll see you on the next one. Take it easy. Goodbye.